Film studies is an academic discipline that analyzes cinema as an art form and medium. It encompasses various theatrical, historical, and critical approaches to explore various narrative, artistic, cultural, economic, and political dimensions of films. Film studies particularly deals with studying or analyzing films rather than producing it. Hello, this is Trushali Dodia, a student from the Department of English, MK Bhavnagar University. In this video, we are going to dive into the fascinating world of film studies via using various examples from the movie like Sardar Udham by Shujit Sarkar, film Lagan by Ashutosh Gaurikar, and film Birdman by Alejandro Gonzalez. Now, let us first begin with the zoom technique. In the movie Lagan, when Captain Russell came at villagers' cricket ground, zoom out technique is used to capture all the 11 players within a single frame that you can see here on the screen. Choice symbolizes their unity and collective spirit as they have strived to win the challenging match they have undertaken, which is also the core of the narrative of the film Lagan. The zooming out technique not only visually showcases the team together but also underscore their shared determination and commitment to win this challenging match. In the same movie, dynamic technique of montage is used to create a visually engaging sequence. Specifically, during the song Chale Chalo, filmmaker use a cricket training montage where the filmmaker involves all the 11 players practicing cricket. This montage moves rapidly, combining various shots to create a specific meaning. By rapidly juxtaposing various shots of players' training sessions, the filmmaker has effectively communicated to the intensity and the progress of the cricket playing sessions. Diegetic and non-diegetic sounds are also essential while studying a film. Let us understand both these sounds through the example of a movie Sardar Udham, but first let's watch and listen carefully to the sequence of the shots. In this sequence, both diegetic and non-diegetic sounds are effectively used, which is about Jallianwala Bagh massacre happened in 13th April 1990. There are various sounds which are directly emerging from the action on the screen, like the sound of gun firing, the chaos of people screaming, shouting, the voice of running, and all this. So all these sounds are coming directly from the screen, the action which is happening on the screen. This is why this sound is called as diegetic sound. Contrary, we can hear an intense background sound which is not directly emerging from the action on the screen, but it is skillfully utilized to give an impact to the whole action. This intense background sound evokes a terror and pity, contributing to the environment, to the intense tragedy happening all around on the screen. A film is created by various shots combining it together, but there are some movies which are having longer and continuous shots. The film Birdman stands out as a remarkable example of longer and continuous shots, which gives a unique viewing experience to the audience. At first glance, it appears that the whole film is shot in a single take, seamlessly blending numerous shots together. Although the individual shots in the film are also longer than 10 minutes, the editing technique makes it difficult to discern where one shot ends and another begins. Transition between these longer shots are geniusly crafted. Darkness is utilized to create a visual element of transition, helps in maintaining the continuous flow of the film to create a kind of illusion by which we cannot have an idea where one shot ends and another begins, which gives a smooth flow to the movie, and we find the whole movie is shot in a single shot. So this is all about film studies. If you like this video, do not forget to like, subscribe and share, and thanks for watching.